Simple Life presents ways to become more outgoing and sociable. If you find it difficult to strike up a conversation with someone you don't know, painful to participate in a discussion with coworkers, or stressful to attend a party where you know only a few people, you aren't alone. But that doesn't mean you have to stay on the conversational sidelines. With a few little tweaks to your style, you can become more outgoing, more relaxed in social situations, and more likely to have fun when you're in the company of others. Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Start with small steps. Start by taking small steps towards establishing contact with the people around you, be they strangers, acquaintances, colleagues, or friends. Eye contact and small, friendly gestures can go a long way. They say that smiles are contagious. So, if someone looks directly at you when you're shopping at the grocery store, on the train on your way to work, or sitting in the break room at the office, smile at them. You will find that most people react positively and are likely to smile back. Use that return smile as an instant confidence booster. After mastering the smile, graduate to saying hello, asking someone for advice, or giving a compliment. The more that you get used to establishing communication with strangers and acquaintances, the easier it becomes and more natural it feels to be outgoing. You'll likely find that being friendly and nice to those around you feels good. You'll often receive positive feedback in return, which will help develop the self-confidence that is useful in virtually every social setting. 2. Use your mutual connections. It's easy to hang with the people who make you feel comfortable and safe, but never branching out can be detrimental in both social and professional environments. One of the easiest ways to become more outgoing is to ask your friends, colleagues, or classmates to introduce you to their friends. For example, if you walk into a room and your friend is talking to someone else, make a point to say hello and introduce yourself. The next time you see that person, you can say hello. Since you have already been introduced, you have built a bridge into future communication. Once you've made a connection, ask the person questions about themselves. One of the best ways to strike up a conversation and keep it going is to ask open-ended questions and actively listen as they take it from there. This is also a great trick if you find that you're unsure what to talk about or are uncomfortable with small talk. 3. Step outside your comfort zone. Doing something that makes you feel a little uncomfortable is the easiest way to boost your confidence and help you become a more outgoing version of yourself. With each little victory, you'll gain the confidence to step further and further outside your comfort zone. If you keep seeing signs for a club or class you're interested in, go to one meeting to test the waters. There is not any harm in trying. Do your best to counteract the inner voice telling that you can't do something or defining yourself by what you think you should be doing instead. If you have never danced before but want to take a salsa lesson, try it out. Do things because they interest you, not because they are the things you have always done. 4. Don't sweat the little things. It is easy to get so caught up in your self-image that being quiet or reserved can feel like the safest choice. But being outgoing offers you the chance to try new things and meet new people. At the end of the day, no one is going to remember how nervous you sounded the first couple of times you met them. They will remember you as the person who made an effort to reach out, who wasn't afraid to ask a question in a group, and who had something nice to say at the end of a conversation. Not sure how to end it? Practice this conversational closing. It was great talking to you. Let's do this again. 5. Give compliments. If you're interested in people, you're bound to notice little things that you like or appreciate. You can acknowledge these things with a compliment. Just make sure that your compliments are genuine. People can tell when compliments are not sincere. Think of something like, "I've read that book." Great choice. "I love those shoes. They go great with that skirt." "Is that a hazelnut latte?" "Nice, that's my go-to every Monday morning." 6. Dress for success. The way that you dress affects the way that you feel about yourself. Dressing in a way that expresses your personality and values can help you feel confident, and that will help you be more outgoing. If you're a little nervous about socializing, wear something that makes you feel powerful and attractive. This will help you to carry that confidence into your interactions. Clothes can also be great conversation starters. Wearing a fun tie or a statement bracelet can be a way for others to break the ice with you. You can also compliment something someone else is wearing as a way to get acquainted. Be careful not to let judgments slip into these compliments, such as, "That dress makes you look so thin." That type of comment focuses on social standards of beauty rather than the person you're talking with. Instead, try something positive but non-judgmental like, "I love the design of that tie, it's so intricate," or, "I've been looking for a pair of shoes like that, where did you get them?" 7. Be an active listener. When you're listening to someone, show them that you're engaged in the conversation. Focus on what they're saying. Look at them while they speak. Nodding, using brief expressions such as, "uh-huh," or "mm-hmm," and smiling are all ways to show that you're following the conversation. Avoid looking over the person's head or in another area of the room for more than a few seconds. This indicates that you're bored or not paying attention. Repeat central ideas, or use them as part of your response. For example, if you're talking with someone new at a bar who's been telling you about her fly fishing hobby, mention this when you respond. "Wow, I've never been fly fishing." The way you describe it makes it sound like it would be fun. This lets the other person know you really were listening, rather than mentally checking your shopping list or something else. Allow the other person to finish speaking before you respond. As you listen, don't be planning your response to give as soon as they're finished. Focus on the other person's communication. Check out the link below for your free audiobook from Audible. If you like the video, do subscribe, like, and comment. Do hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Thank you for watching.